Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display brightness. Now scroll down and find eye comfort and sleep, and let's focus on the second section, so eye protection. To turn it on we have to tap on the switcher. And maybe let me quickly switch to light mode so you will be able to see better what kind of differences are here in this eye protection. So after turning it on, you will see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. Here you can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left you can make it cooler, by going to the right warmer. You can also apply paper texture, which means that in the background you will see this harsh background, harsh layout, which looks like a paper. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. And you can manage display colors, so you can display colors basically, which will be affected by the eye comfort, or you can display everything in a monochromatic way. So it's up to you. You can also schedule that feature, so you can make it turn on automatically. Just choose the hour and your device will apply the mode accordingly. So this is the customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully and find the eye comfort. So you can simply turn it on just by tapping on it and turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.